Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Windows 10 or 11 is installed and you have a recent restore point. This protects you if something goes wrong. Once done, download the Windhawk runtime and the Taskbar Styler plugin. Verify the signature so you trust the file. Now close File Explorer or prepare to restart Explorer when prompted, because changing taskbar internals requires restarting that process. This avoids half-applied visual changes and keeps your session stable. You run Windhawk with administrator rights, then open the Plugins panel and load Taskbar Styler. Elevated access lets it patch the shell safely. Next, tweak presets. Change taskbar height, icon scale, blur and color, and alignment. Because these directly affect usability and visuals, use the preview to compare options. After you pick settings, apply them. Windhawk will prompt to restart Explorer. Confirm that restart to finalize changes, so the new styling is fully injected into the taskbar. You finish by fine-tuning values in small increments. This prevents layout breakage and keeps icons readable. If something goes wrong, disable or revert the plugin from Windhawk immediately and use your restore point to roll back system changes. That's faster than manual fixes. Make sure to check Windhawk logs for error messages and update both runtime and plugin if compatibility problems persist. One key tip: if Explorer crashes repeatedly, boot to safe mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.